Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Metallica unboxing video.
Whoa.
I am Veronica, behind the camera this time.
Matt.
What? So we are unboxing Legion of Collectors. We think it's Batman villains because we forgot because we got it in the mail.
Yeah, we're bad.
Suck.
This is sort of contemporary though. This is the most recent one, so we're almost on time.
This is, yes. But I think we got it like a month ago. Or something. We're about to get the next one. I'm pretty sure. Whatever. Anyway.
It's definitely the Scarecrow.
Scarecrow. Well, because I know there was Batman the Animated Series was a box, but this I think is specifically just another Batman villains or Arkham something, whatever.
Could be.
Well, you probably know because I've probably labeled it at this point while you're watching it.
So viewer, you know more than we do.
You know more than I do right now.
Yes. Sort of like a horror movie where they've shown you that the criminal or monster, whatever, is around the corner, but the people in it don't know yet because they're not there.
Except much less cool.
Yeah. This is just us being silly.
Yes. All right, so let's get to it. We got the Scarecrow on the box, Legion of Collectors, blah, blah, blah. Really? No issues. Alright, so. And. Oh! This is completely different. Alright, so. First thing is.
The luggage tag?
Funko
Nice.
luggage tag.
Nice, very good.
I fully appreciate that. We're going to Mexico in April.
So get some
We
news
need
from you.
this. To go with the Batman one we already have.
Mhm.
Fantastic. Alright. Get going, Funko. First thing. Ooh. Patch. Black Manta.
So it might just be DC villains
DC
or
villains?
even Legion of Doom because he was.
Well, no, we got the cards.
Well, Joker wasn't really Legion of Doom, so.
Well, no, soon enough. This is oh! Oh yeah, so Funko's doing these stickers now. So they've got
How neato.
they've
Okay.
got stickers. So
Harley, Mana, Sinestro, and Deathstroke.
I dig that. It's cute. Alright. Oh, here is the ever famed t-shirt. That's all. Never change the size.
So it's your size?
This is mine. I'm gonna be mad.
Oh, man, come on.
We need to check
Oh,
that.
that's nice.
Yeah.
So that's, I guess that's Ares up top, looks like.
Yeah.
Luther in his Legion of Doom outfit.
Uh-huh.
Captain Cold, Joker, Manta, and Sinestro. That's sweet.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah. That's a win.
It is a win.
And that's a medium?
It's a medium.
Yeah, it'll fit on my toe.
Sorry. Stealing all the things from my kids.
Yeah, you've earned it. You're a good girl.
Alright, and it feels like two pop box. Two pop box.
Snuggled.
Oh, Lex Luthor!
Oh, now that's a win, kids. Look at that.
Check out that Lex Luthor.
He's in his famous superpowers armor outfit with the LexCorp logo on it.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah, that
Ooh,
is
and I like that the
full win.
it's kind of metallic-y. I wouldn't call it like full metallic, but it's kind of shiny. Do we not get a pin with this?
This is going. Yeah, they might have replaced the.
Pin with the
Luggage tag.
stickers? That's disappointing. And I kind of figured what this was going to be in there, but it's big.
Nice. He's cracking his knuckles. I like it.
So that's very good. So I know a lot of people were complaining that why haven't we gotten a Bane pop yet? And that was not the Dark Knight Returns one.
I was born into pop. She merely adopted it.
So now we have a
That
regular Bane.
didn't sound. That sounded like a Jerky Boys character.
Yeah, that's right.
Didn't sound like
So now we have a regular Bane. We have the animated series Bane, and we didn't get the Dark Knight Returns Bane, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Dark Knight
Mark.
Rises.
All the same movie. right?
Should be it, right? What's the inside look like?
Inside, pretty cool. I mean, it's just all the villains. So let's
Bizarro, nice.
yeah. So let's see what
We have a Bizarro Pop, right?
this. Oh well, the next box is gonna be Justice League as the movie.
Yeah.
Hey, don't tell me. They just say it's from September 2017.
So it is this current one.
So it is this current
So that's
one.
good at least.
Yes! So, yeah, no, so they, looks like they just stuck with all the regular stuff. We initially planned on changing out both the patch and the pin in this box. But when we saw the design of this patch, we had to include it inside the box.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think it's just DC villains. From what I understand.
All right, so what's your arch enemies, maybe?
Maybe. Favorite thing?
Yes.
I'm gonna go with Bane.
I'm gonna go with Luther. Actually, I'd love that exists in this world as well.
So this is Funko. You do not disappoint, and I fully appreciate it. The things that have been done in this box. So this box is full of win. This will get lots of use. This will go in our patch collection, which will eventually get posted somewhere. I'm probably going to use these stickers all over my sewing machine case.
There you go.
Sorry, you're beat for the t-shirt.
Wah, wah.
Alright, so I guess without further ado, Motonica. Oh.
Peace.